In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a buy stop order in MetaTrader 5. A buy stop is a powerful way to catch momentum when you expect price to break through a level and continue higher. Instead of buying immediately, you tell the platform to buy only if the market proves your idea by reaching your chosen price above the current level. This helps you avoid entering too early and can align your trade with a breakout strategy. Start by opening the order window. The quickest way is to press F9 on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, click the New Order button on the toolbar. Before you go further, take a second to confirm you're on the correct symbol and chart to avoid placing an order on the wrong instrument. In the order window, look to the left panel and select Stop Order. In some versions of MetaTrader 5, this replaces the older label called Pending Order, so don't worry if you see Stop Order instead. You're in the right place. Next, in the Type field, choose Buy Stop. This tells the platform you want to buy if, and only if, price rises to your specified level. Now set your entry price. A buy stop must be placed above the current market price. For example, if the current price is 1,100 and you expect a breakout, you could set the buy stop at 1,150. If you try to put the price below the market, the platform won't accept it because that would be a different type of order. With the entry set, add your risk management. Place your stop loss below your entry to cap potential losses if the breakout fails. Then set your take profit above your entry to lock in gains if the move follows through. Think about the distance between these two levels so your risk to reward makes sense for your plan. You can always refine the exact levels based on nearby support, resistance, or volatility. Set the volume for the trade. For example, 0.01 lot is a small position that's often used for testing or for accounts with limited risk tolerance. Remember, volume determines your exposure, margin use, and the dollar value of each pip. When everything looks good, click Place. The order won't execute immediately. It will remain pending until price reaches your buy stop level. If the market never touches it, the order won't fill. If it does reach your level, the order becomes a market buy and your stop loss and take profit are applied automatically. That's all it takes to set up a buy stop in MetaTrader 5.